everyone, this is Sanjukta Roy and welcome back to another video by AMS Group of Institutes. Today we will be discussing about the course reduction announced by CBSE. We will be launching a series in which we will cover the topics deleted for class 9, 10, 11 and 12 for all the subjects. After a thorough analysis of the situation and suggestions from experts and teachers, the Central Board of Secondary Education has been instructed by the HRD Ministry to reduce the syllabus. In response, after careful analysis and review, CBSE has cut 30% of the syllabus. I repeat, the syllabus has been reduced by 30% for only the academic year 2020-21 to reduce course load of students. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever we upload another video. So let's move forward with today's topic. In this video, I will be discussing chapter-wise reduction in science syllabus for class 9. As we know, science syllabus can be divided into three parts: physics, chemistry and biology. We will take one portion at a time ताकि बाद में कोई confusion ना हो. So take out your NCERT book and start marking along with me. And make the changes in the chapter, not in the content, ताकि बाद में Google को refer नहीं करना पड़े और फिर से नहीं ढूंढना पड़े what has been cancelled. पहले we will be taking chemistry. Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings. This chapter has been completely deleted from your syllabus. This chapter actually explains how matter changes from one state to another under pressure and temperature. All cause and effect resulting in the change of state of the matter are explained in a very simple manner. But it has been cancelled now, so you don't have to worry about it from exam point of view. But I would suggest to build a base in chemistry, you need to go through this chapter 1. Chapter 2, Is Matter Around Us Pure? Is in your syllabus and no changes has been made. This chapter has been carried forward from the first chapter and it talks about the various methods of separation. The chapter explains the types of mixtures and solution. There are various experiments conducted to explain various forms of components of a solution and mixtures. So after understanding this chapter, you will be able to distinguish matter into mixtures and pure substances. Now moving forward, chapter 3, Atoms and Molecules. In this chapter also there is no change. Chapter 3 has a very good weightage from examination point of view. Every year minimum 3 to 4 questions are being asked from this chapter in almost all school examinations. In chapter 3 you will learn about atoms and molecules. This chapter include mole concept and also which you will study in class 11. So this chapter builds the foundation of mole concept. It is very important for you to clearly understand the basics of mole concept to solve all the numericals based on this topic. You will also get to know laws of chemical combination, symbols of elements, etc. Chapter 4, Structure of Atoms, falls under chemistry and this is in your syllabus. No changes have been made. It is a very interesting chapter if you understand it properly. This chapter involves some basic mathematical calculation and different theories about structure of atom, which is why it is very scoring. Also keep practicing the atomic structure frequently or else you will forget the theories related to it. This chapter is an important chapter from your exam perspective as it includes many important concepts such as neutrons, protons, isotopes and valency. तो हमारा केमिस्ट्री का पोर्शन कंप्लीट हो गया. अब हम लोग बायोलॉजी में सिलेबस में क्या क्या चेंजेस है वो देखने वाले हैं. तो पहले वी विल स्टार्ट विद चैप्टर 5 विच इज द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. दिस इज इंक्लूडेड इन योर सिलेबस और इसमें भी कोई चेंज नहीं है. द चैप्टर टीचेज यू अबाउट सेल. The cell structure which is explained in this chapter is for both animal and plant and it has been elaborated with the help of diagram which is very important for exam. चैप्टर 6 इज ऑन टिश्यूज. इस चैप्टर में डिफरेंट टिश्यूज के बारे में डिस्कस किया गया है और इसमें से कोई भी टॉपिक कैंसिल नहीं किया गया है. एक्चुअली दिस चैप्टर विल बिल्ड द फाउंडेशन फॉर योर बायोलॉजी कोर्स. प्लांट एंड एनिमल टिश्यूज पूरा डिटेल में इस चैप्टर में एक्सप्लेन किया गया है एंड यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इट यूजिंग फ्यू डायग्राम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ टिश्यूज इन प्लांट एंड एनिमल बॉडी. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 7 विच इज डाइवर्सिटी इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, ये कंप्लीटली रिमूव किया गया है, इसमें से कोई भी टॉपिक सिलेबस में इंक्लूडेड नहीं है। चैप्टर 13 व्हाई डू वी फॉल इल इज देयर इन योर सिलेबस, और इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है। इन दिस चैप्टर यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ हेल्थ, एक्यूट एंड क्रॉनिक डिजीजेस एंड कॉजेज ऑफ डिजीजेस। आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस चैप्टर यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ हाइजीन फॉर योर गुड हेल्थ। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 14 नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, ये सिर्फ इंटरनल असेसमेंट के लिए आएगा, लाइक फॉर क्लास टेस्ट एंड पीरियोडिक टेस्ट। दिस विल नॉट कम इन योर फाइनल एग्जाम। हम लोगों ने सुना होगा कि चेन्नई, बैंगलोर, इन सब जगहों में वाटर स्केर्सिटी है। यू मस्ट हैव थॉट ऑफ मेनी सॉल्यूशंस रिगार्डिंग द प्रॉब्लम, बट यू कांट अराइव एट अ करेक्ट सॉल्यूशन without the proper understanding of natural resources. So this chapter will give you a better understanding of it. So you should go through the chapter once and go through the different concepts about atmosphere in climate control, different natural resources, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, etc. चैप्टर 15 इंप्रूवमेंट इन फूड रिसोर्सेज हैज बीन कम्प्लीटली रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम योर सिलेबस, और इस चैप्टर से कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आने वाला है। इन दिस चैप्टर यू आर सपोज टू नो अबाउट द न्यूट्रिएंट्स सप्लाइड बाय एयर, वाटर एंड सॉइल, क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट, फर्टिलाइजर्स, मैन्योर, स्टोरेज ऑफ ग्रेन्स, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री, nutritional value of food, fish production and beekeeping. But now no need to go through this because this will not come in the exam. Now we will be looking into the physics syllabus. Chapter 8 motion. This is still in your syllabus and there is no change. With chapter 8 you will understand the different types of motion, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. You will also come to know about speed, direction of motion and velocity. Next chapter is chapter 9 force and laws of motion. दिस इज ऑल्सो इन योर सिलेबस एंड इसमें भी कोई चेंज नहीं है, हर एक टॉपिक इस चैप्टर का सिलेबस में इंक्लूडेड है। यू हैव स्टडीड कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फोर्स इन क्लास 8, नाउ इन क्लास 9 you will study that in depth. You will learn about balanced and unbalanced forces and also about the 3 laws of motion. This will enhance your conceptual understanding of force and motion. Chapter 10 gravitation. In this chapter, few topics have been deleted. The topics removed are thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy and elementary idea of relative density. If you want, you can pause the video, you can mark the topic in the chapter, not in the content, and then you can resume the video again. I will repeat the topics removed are thrust and pressure, Archimedes principle, buoyancy and elementary idea of relative density. Basically in this chapter you will understand more about gravitational force. It will explain how gravitational force works, and also there are quite a few numericals in this chapter. The next chapter is chapter 11 work and energy, and there is no change in this chapter. In this chapter you will understand the scientific conception of work and different types of energy. This chapter also includes few numericals. Now moving forward, chapter 12 sound. This chapter has been completely deleted from your syllabus. This chapter was supposed to tell you about the different types of sounds and echo and about the propagation of sound wave. But now it will not come in your exam. But according to me, you should go through the chapter once, not for exam but for gaining the knowledge and to build your base in physics. So here was the detailed explanation of science syllabus for class 9. If you have any question, do ask us in our comment section, and happy learning.